I was just reading someone in Australia ran an experiment even. They took identical twins and tried to sort of fool the system, and they couldn't. So that was a good test. So I'm logged into Power BI. There are two real things that I believe are very, very important. In a world of big data, recognizing small patterns becomes the most important thing for an organization and for an individual. Because in the sea of data, you've got to be able to see those small patterns to help you drive action. And then the second thing is to infuse into every application you build, in your IT, in your business unit, not just the SaaS applications that you buy, but into every applications you build, machine learning. Because that's how you can harness the power of data. So those are the two ends of the spectrum I just want to quickly show you. So this is a dashboarding tool that we built. And Power BI has this one cool feature. Of course, you can build the dashboard and the visualizations. I, for example, go every day to see those daily active, monthly active for all of our services. And that's how I start my day. In this case, it's a sales dashboard. But what we've done is we've said it's made it easy for you to go get the variety of data sources. Salesforce is one of the data sources. We have MailChimp. We have pretty much all of the SaaS applications that you may want to use. But it's not just the the third-party SaaS applications, but one of the other things is you inside of your organization have lots and lots of data. And so you want to be able to go get at that data as well. And so being able to conflate data from third-party SaaS applications, your local data sources, creation of these dashboards is super important. But the magic for me is not just the visualizations, but this is just a canvas for you to be able to recognize those patterns. So that means you should be able to do Q&A or just ask it natural language questions. So let's say I'll go into my social analytics dashboard and I will go ahead and just type in a number of tweets by hashtag. Right, there it is. And it's not only picking the data, but it's in fact picking the visualization to represent it in. I can even keep enhancing it, so I not only do want to do it by hashtag, but I want to do it and sentiment, and then I want to do it in the last hour. And there it is. So it is able to take a natural language query. And what it did is it took the Twitter fire hose, processed it in real time, understood my natural language query, picked the right visualization. That's the magic of real-time business. And imagine having that for every data stream of yours, but more importantly, all of the data that you join across all of the different sources. So that's a little bit of Power BI. One of the other things I wanted to show you is, in fact, a third-party app, which is a third-party app called Alpine Metrics, which is a Salesforce add-in. So this is right in Salesforce. Alpine Metrics has built an application that does forecasting. I'm told that one of the most subjective things in the world is salespeople's estimates of their ability to close a deal. And so one of the things that they're trying to do is, let's bring some data science to it. So they track something like 50 different signals and are, for example, in this case, the team is estimating to have a great quarter, they're going to close the deal, but the system is saying, hey, you might have a problem. So that's coming because of the Alpine Metrics analytics tool. And that analytics tool is built on Cortana Analytics, which is a core part of Azure. Now I have that data. But we've also gone one step further. In fact, it also tells the various teams in my organization and their close rates and what it predicts will happen. So I can go ahead and, in fact, because of Cortana, I can even integrate it with my voice commanding. So I can just go ahead and ask for it. Show me my most at-risk opportunities. No, that's not what I want. Let's try it again. Show me my most at-risk opportunities. Oh, come on.
Okay, starting remote.
If this, one last try. Let's try it. show me my most at-risk opportunities. Now, this is not going to work. Sorry about that. But if I go back in here, someone's trying to save me from backstage, is it? No. No, this is not going to work. Sorry about that. The thing that it would have done is it should have shown me the most risky opportunity and helped me out. There it is. Thank you for the save from backstage. And this one allows me now to go ahead and select the best owner for the risky opportunity, because it even finds out, if I click on the best owner, it runs again a machine learning algorithm, and it shows which salesperson perhaps has the best chance to close this particular deal. So now I can go into Salesforce and assign this deal, because again, you're using machine learning to help you drive your business applications versus just relying on any one individual user by taking advantage of all of the data that's there in the system. So that shows you a little bit of the power of Cortana Analytics and what kind of new intelligent applications you can build. Now, it's not just about sales automation. Think about what this could do to our healthcare system. Right? If you look at data and harnessing data to drive economies, no better place to start than our healthcare. And Dartmouth Hitchcock is a great customer of ours who's got a real vision of how to use data to drive a different type of personalized health outcomes and care. So let's roll the video.
The U.S. healthcare system is challenged by the task to deliver exceptional, personalized care at a lower cost.